Well, welcome back to K-Man Builds. Today I'm trying something a little different as we continue to try to learn how to do the sawmilling and pros and cons and kind of work out the kinks of my sawmill. Today I've got what we call what they call Bois D'Arc. As you can see, it's kind of a yellow wood. From what I've been told, once it dries, it gets extremely hard. I cut this off today. Chainsaw didn't give me too much problem, so it cut pretty normal. So I'm hoping the sawmill, when it's cutting green, is going to be pretty easy. But I'm interested to see what this is going to look like. So let's get at it. Let's show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's got a lot of character. I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm not sure how yellow it's going to stay, but yeah, that is really pretty. I'm interested to see how this is going to turn out. What you probably notice is my blade is getting very dull. I'm going to have to sharpen that thing up because it took way too long to get through this last little piece here. So we're going to go ahead and sharpen the blade and we'll come back and finish this thing up. All right, so I got the blade sharpened up, tension back up again. So we're going to give it another shot and see if we can finish milling this thing. Okay, so that is just gorgeous. Well, I am very interested to see what I'm going to be able to do with this. Obviously, there's a hollow spot in this one, and show you here. That one's split, so it had a pretty good hollow spot there. But that one side, I can still make a board out of that. Same thing here. It's got kind of the split here, so I'll have to see if I can do anything with that. But it's very beautiful wood. I haven't even cleaned the sawdust off this one yet. All right, so you can see I added some water just to show just the texture and the color. It's beautiful. Not really sure how long it's actually going to maintain that yellow color. There's not enough sun out here to really show you, but it's extremely yellow. That's what it looks like without the water on there. So you can see any kind of finish at this point is going to really bring out the contrast. So I'm tempted to take one now, and I don't know. It really needs to dry, but I hate to lose the color. I'm tempted to try to see if I can seal one. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, really beautiful wood.